Hello! It's okay, ma. Ay.
Hello, girls.
Hello. Hello po.
May I interrupt your meals? Can I have a picture with you?
Sure.
Thank
Okay
you.
po.
Not about picture.
So formal po, ah. I'm shy.
Oh, you're so formal, no?
We'll take a picture first.
Malabarag na eh, maluwag. Walang 1, 2, 3. We can hardly prepare ourselves. One more.
Thank you.
You are from?
I'm Miss
thank-
Philippines Air.
Well, title holder.
And then Miss
Water.
Philippines
The other one
Water.
was also, one of the three is also there.
Yes, Miss Fire.
Fire.
Fire
Miss
and
Ecotourism.
Congratulations.
Thank you so
Welcome
much.
to Barangka.
Thank you for having
You
us.
enjoy our play.
Yes, we love it. We love it.
People here are nice. Just
Yes.
Like
Totoo.
They're super
Thank
nice.
you, ha,
Thank
for
you
this.
so much.
Hello, everyone. Carrie.
Hi guys, we're eating.
Carrie is busy eating.
I've been eating since kanina pa.
Yes, so again and again, we're here at Barangay City, Bye-Bye Boulevard.
Yes.
We're eating at Buboy's. Yay!
Oh, you're
Eat na po! Kain na! Uy, girls! You're back! Let's eat! So, let's eat. Picture. The beachwear competition will be held on this same spot. Diba?
Yes, it'll be held here. So anyone's invited now. It's a public area, so if you guys are here, feel free to pop by at the Bye-Bye Boulevard.
Yes, bye-bye.
And you can see the show there at, I think if I'm not mistaken, 2 or 3 p.m. 4 p.m.
4 p.m. po ba? In the afternoon.
3 p.m. 3 p.m. Yan, 3 p.m.
Yes. By the way, we're eating a lot of barbecue. Again na naman. 7 plates of barbecue. Uy, hello girls. The girls is back. Girls are back. Hello. Ang dami na nagdahay. Isaw. Isaw ng baboy. Stay lang namin dito, Miss Ray. Ha? Stay lang namin dito. Kain ng barbecue. Kain ka, guys. This is our dinner for tonight.
You look at Heart to
Uy! Hi!
It's
Oh,
Miss
hi.
Earth page, a Miss Philippines Earth page.
Hello! Here are our candidates from Agripay. Hi, Agripay! Kain na. They just went back. Saan kayo nang galing?
Like the first stall po. From overtime.
Carrie is busy eating talaga. Kaya hindi na pa-pressure magsalita dito.
I mean,
Shout
sharing the food too
out!
much.
Hello! Hello, Oliver! Aboy Galupe Jr. Hello! Hello, Jerome! Ingat din! Ay, wala po. Thank you po, ma'am. If you have questions though po, you can ask.
How much do you want flowers?
Hello, Jerome! We're waiting for Athena and Shu to come back. Someone's watching from Dolores Eastern Samar. Hello, Brian.
Hi guys, my hands are really dirty at the moment because I've been shaking the food with my hands. What am I eating? I'm eating in a South. And I had pork barbecue then.
Sick, yeah.
So with my hands in the...
I'm gonna try the shake one there. Let's try later, okay?
Can't wait to see you in Toledo for eating now. Yes, we can see you. We can't wait to see you too.
Yes.
Hello, Jaya Jaya.
What is there? Ibalik ka tayo Manila. Pura na kapatida.
Sige, ma'am.
Yes, after this,
Thank you so much.
after this we'll be back at Toledo City, right?
Yes.
Yes, we're excited to be back. That's where we were crowned and we're excited to go back.
Yes.
It's time for the evening gown. Hello, Lucille! We miss you.
Oh, we miss you. How are you?
Your batch makeup?
Yeah, matchmade. Thank you po.
Thank you.
Gusto yung dalawa. Hi.
I'm trying to stop myself from overeating, but I keep looking at the phone.
Food is so good.
I eat so much now. I actually won't show my plate because it's so embarrassing if I showed you how much I've been eating.
Wait for me, guys.
But
Hanap mo na kami.
I have pretty much 2 rice now.
Thank you po. Enjoy the food.
Wow. Oh, actually half.
Taran!
What's my other rice? I ate half of it.
Bye po.
See you later. See you later.
Hindi kayo kumain. Ako kumain. Sige.
Where are they going? They look for drinks.
Drinks.
Are you done?
I'm not done.
I don't want to be done yet.
Kain po tayo.
Yeah.
Tita.
We're live.
Hi, Miss Felita Titi.
Hi, I'm here. Having fun eating so much.
Yes. That is very true. We are eating a lot
God.
here.
If ever you come by dito sa Baybay Boulevard, ang sarap sa Uboy's Restaurant. Restaurant? Uboy's Barbecue. Sarap. Charan.
1 out of 10.
Where?
What's your review?
9?
9?
I like barbecues kasi mahilig ako sa barbecue.
Same. The inner sounds good.
Yes.
Yeah, sure.
Ay, picture.
We're just gonna do some photos.
Dapat bumalik na tayo sa hotel kasi 4:30 tayo.
The Toledo City ang event is the evening gown competition.
Ng ano? Kasi mayroon pang dinner sa hotel. Ay, wag na ako na lang. Ako naman yung charge sa inyo.
Thank you po. Thank you po. Hello po. Hello. MJ Jones. Hello, Nair? Nair Oswald. Hello po.
Are you eating mango na?
I haven't eaten it. Kasi 4:30 tayo. Pag lumampas tayo ng 4:30, pangit na. Hindi na natin makakapsure yung ano.
The coronation will be on
Sige, basta kayo na
Bukidnon,
pag
right?
Bukidnon. So, if you guys can't make it in Bukidnon, please watch it online
Yes.
for the coronation night, which
Pagka
will be
4:30
happening
tayo
on
ha. Huwag tayo
the
lalampas ng 4:30 in the morning.
Yes, May 11.
It will be happening on the 11th. So stay tuned for that and follow Miss Philippines Earth or follow both of us for any updates to see what we have been doing. And we'll always keep you guys updated. So stay tuned.
Last year, we did the preliminaries at Talakag, Bukidnon, right? And we did the coronation in Toledo. But now it's switched.
It's switched now.
We had the ano ba sa Toledo? Evening gown competition and the coronation will be in Bukidnon.
Yes.
Here's-
Sorry if I'm squinting my eyes. I don't have
You
my
can see
glasses.
it.
Barbecue. I just realized the sun's going down.
Oh my.
The light is getting darker and darker.
Dilim na. Opo, umalis na sila. Ay, sila siya. Nag-separate po kami kanina. Okay. Hello,
Okay, guys. So yes, follow all the social media platform of Miss Philippines Earth to keep updated. And yeah,
And watch out for our upcoming activities.
yes.
On the 25th, we will be having our beachwear competition here. So
Yes.
watch out.
And let us know if you guys want to see more mukbang videos. in other provinces, so we can always try to go live and test and try their local foods. So yes, let us know if you guys want to see that.
Thank you so much.
Thank you guys for watching and hope to see you guys soon.
Night.
Good night.